If you own an automatic car, listen carefully, because chances are you're making mistakes every single day that are silently destroying your transmission and engine. These are small habits that seem harmless, but can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs before your car even hits 100,000 miles. In today's video, I'll reveal 11 mistakes that most drivers are guilty of, and once you stop doing them, your automatic car will last years longer with fewer breakdowns. So let's dive straight into it. But make sure you watch until the end, because mistake number 11 is the biggest one mechanics hope you never find out about. Number 1, shifting into drive while still rolling backwards. This is one of the quickest ways to kill an automatic transmission. Many drivers throw the shifter into drive while the car is still rolling backward, especially when parking on an incline. The problem is the transmission's internal clutches and gears take a huge shock when they're forced to suddenly reverse the motion of the car. Over time, this creates stress cracks, burns out clutch packs, and leads to jerky gear changes. Instead, always come to a full stop before changing from reverse to drive. This simple habit can save your transmission from early failure. Up next, do you rest your hand on the shifter while driving? That mistake is more damaging than you think. Number 2, resting your hand on the gear selector. It looks harmless, but placing your hand on the gear shifter while driving actually puts constant pressure on the transmission linkage. In many automatics, the shifter is connected to small internal components that weren't designed to hold weight for long periods. This habit leads to premature wear, sloppy gear engagement, and in some cases, broken bushings. The fix? Always keep both hands on the steering wheel and only touch the shifter when you're changing gears. Next, let's talk about something most drivers do daily: resting your foot on the brake pedal. Number 3, riding the brake pedal. Driving with your foot lightly pressing the brake pedal may feel like extra control, but it's a silent killer for automatics. This habit confuses the transmission and torque converter because the car receives mixed signals: accelerate and brake at the same time. Not only does it wear out your brake pads twice as fast, but it also overheats the transmission fluid. Instead, use your brakes only when needed and give your transmission a chance to operate smoothly. But what about parking? The next mistake could leave you with a huge repair bill. Number 4, using park instead of the parking brake. Many drivers shift into park on a slope without engaging the parking brake. What happens? The entire weight of the car rests on a tiny part inside the transmission called the parking powel. Over time, this powel can bend or break, leaving you stuck with an expensive repair. The correct way is simple: apply the parking brake first, then shift into park. This removes the load from your transmission and protects it for the long run. Coming up, why skipping transmission fluid changes is basically signing your car's death sentence. Number 5, ignoring transmission fluid changes. Here's a big one. Unlike engine oil, many car owners never bother to check or replace transmission fluid until it's too late. Transmission fluid lubricates, cools, and powers the transmission. When it breaks down, you'll get rough shifts, overheating, and eventual failure. Some manufacturers claim lifetime fluid, but don't fall for that. For maximum longevity, replace your ATF every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. This one step alone can add years to your automatic transmission's life. Next, let's talk about warming up your car, because many people do it wrong. Number 6, skipping the warm-up on cold mornings. On cold mornings, many drivers put their car straight into gear and drive off aggressively. But automatic transmissions rely on fluid pressure, and when the fluid is cold, it's thick and sluggish. Driving hard in this state causes metal-on-metal wear inside your transmission. Instead, let your car idle for 30 to 60 seconds before driving, and then accelerate gently until the engine and transmission warm up. This small patience pays off big time in extended car life. Now, what about towing? The next mistake can completely fry your transmission. Number 7, towing more than your car can handle. Automatic cars are especially vulnerable to towing abuse. When you pull loads heavier than your vehicle's rated capacity, the transmission overheats because it works far harder than it was designed to. This leads to slipping gears, burnt fluid, and eventual failure. Always check your vehicle's towing rating, and if you tow frequently, Consider adding a transmission cooler. It's a small investment that prevents thousands in repairs. Next is something drivers do in traffic every single day, and it's killing your gearbox. Number 8, constantly shifting between neutral and drive in traffic. Some drivers think shifting into neutral at traffic lights saves fuel, but with modern automatics, it doesn't. In fact, constantly switching between drive and neutral puts unnecessary stress on clutch packs and solenoids. Instead, just keep your foot on the brake when stopped. Modern cars are designed to handle idling and drive without issues. This way you avoid unnecessary wear from pointless gear changes. Why accelerating too hard too often is killing your car faster than you think. Number 9, hard acceleration, all the time. Yes, flooring it feels good, but if you do it regularly, your automatic transmission won't last long. Aggressive acceleration causes the torque converter to generate extreme heat, burning the transmission fluid and wearing down internal components. Occasional hard acceleration is fine, but daily abuse will shorten your transmission's life dramatically. Smooth, gradual acceleration not only saves your transmission, but also boosts your fuel economy. But here's another habit that's equally destructive: ignoring warning signs. Number 10, ignoring transmission. Warning signs. If your car hesitates before moving, shifts roughly, or makes whining noises, these are early warning signs of transmission trouble. Many drivers ignore them, hoping they'll go away. But delays only make the problem worse, turning a $200 fluid change into a $4,000 rebuild. Always pay attention to your car's behavior and address issues early. And finally, the biggest mistake of them all that kills automatics fast. Number 11, believing your transmission is maintenance-free. This is the most dangerous lie car manufacturers tell drivers. They advertise sealed or lifetime transmissions, leading owners to believe they never need service. In reality, no fluid lasts forever. Heat, friction, and contaminants break it down. Mechanics know this, but many car owners don't, and they end up paying the price when their transmission dies prematurely. Don't fall for the maintenance-free myth. Always service your transmission on schedule. So there you have it, 11 habits that could quietly destroy your automatic car if you're not careful. Stop doing these today, and your car could easily outlast 200,000 miles without major repairs. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these mistakes have you been guilty of? And what's the most expensive repair you've ever faced? Drop your story in the comments below. Your experience might save another driver thousands of dollars. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Car Care Expert for more insider tips that mechanics don't want you to know. Stay smart, drive safe, and keep your automatic running like new.